welcome. I am Palak Singh and you're watching Palak's Good Life. So today's topic is very different, and it is not for the first time when Twitter has shows the distorted map of India. Well, around 6 months back, Twitter has shown distorted map of India, has shown LAC, Ladakh, the part of China, and this is the second time, and I think fourth or fifth time Twitter has done this again. So the fact is that Twitter has shown Jammu and Kashmir, LAC, Ladakh out of India. The question is why? Why Twitter showed? I think Twitter's CEO, owner, is not stupid. Are they stupid? They are not stupid. So why this show Jammu and Kashmir lack the part of China or the part of India or the out of India? So if they had showed the distorted map of India, then according to me, they are the most stupid and they are the most fool person in this world. Because even a mad person knows that where is Jammu and Kashmir and where is Ladakh. You know. And the fact is that third time that second thing is that first of all, Twitter should apologize doing this thing. And another thing is that Twitter 1 week back, Twitter has blocked our IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad's Twitter ID. So the question is why? Why Twitter block? Is he abused somebody? Is he abused Congress? Is he abused Rahul Gandhi? Is he abused Priyanka Vadra? No, he didn't. But why? Many Congress MLAs, many ministers, chief minister, Congress MLAs, even Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Vadra has abused BJP, has abused Narendra Modi, but Twitter never took action against them all. Twitter never restrict their account. Twitter never blocked their account. So the question is why? Now India, Twitter's MD has also been booked by Twitter. That showing all that had all the strategy, all the controversy in the case. The fact is, Twitter is with China or Pakistan to defeat India. I don't know what was the fight of Pakistan, China and Twitter to defeat India. There's nothing. Why they want Jammu and Kashmir? When Article 370 removed, so Jammu Kashmir people felt happy, but now this Gupkarg and all this. But our matter is not Gupkarg. Our matter is that Twitter. Why Twitter show distorted map of India? A little I want to read from my report. So let's begin. Well, Twitter proves again by showing Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh a part of it, out of India. On Monday, social media user discovered that Twitter has been using a distorted map of India as the carrier section, which doesn't feature either Jammu and Kashmir or Ladakh. While Ladakh has been shown a part of China, Jammu and Kashmir is depicted as an independent country. This comes even as the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology had previously written Jammu and Kashmir integral and previously written to Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey, remaining him that Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir integral and inalienable parts of India, government by the Constitution of India. Moreover, it has been stressed. So all over in my report is that why Twitter showed the misorganized, misregistration map of India. You know, I know, and we all know that Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh is the part of India. So what was the fault of China, Jammu and Kashmir, and what was the fault of Twitter? Who is Twitter? Twitter has crossed the lines. Twitter has crossed their limit. I don't say that everybody has limit, but we should respect our India, and Twitter should also. Otherwise, it will not be good. The fight will be continued. So Twitter will get nothing, but Twitter should apologize. Also with BJP's all person, also with India, also with the IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, and also to each one of Indian people who are the nationalists, not anti-nationalists. Thank you for watching. I am Palak Singh, and if any update comes in this case, I'll raise the voice. Thank you for watching.